Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of predictions from simple experiments. This is standard 7.6H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 23 of the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a table here that shows the different types of pies: apple, pecan, lemon, and chocolate. So based on the results, which statement about the pies is not true? All right, so we're not looking necessarily for the probability. We're looking for the complement. We're looking for what is not going to be true. So we're going to find 3 that work, and we're going to eliminate those. So let's turn these into equations here. It is 2 times as likely for chocolate pie to be sold as for lemon pie. So 2 times as likely for chocolate pie. So let's say chocolate pie, I'll just put a C, equals 2 times my lemon pie. Okay, that's what it says. Chocolate pie, 2 times lemon pie. So chocolate is 8, equals 2 times my lemon pie is 4. Yeah, that works. But remember, they're always going to give you, when they're asking for what's not there, they're going to probably give you a correct one first. Because if we're lazy, we're not going to read the rest of them. Remember, 3 of these are going to be true. We're looking for the one that is not true. So B, it is equally likely for an apple or pecan pie to be sold as for chocolate pie. Okay, so let's write that one. So we're going to say apple. When we have an or right here, we're going to actually add those 2 together. Apple or pecan equals my chocolate. So apple is 5, pecan is 3, chocolate is 8. Yeah, 5 plus 3 definitely equals 8. So it's not B. So let's see what else we have. It is more likely for an apple or lemon pie to be sold than for pecan or chocolate to be sold. Okay. So you notice how in A, it's 2 times as likely. That was an equation. It is equally likely. That was also an equation. But look what we have for C and D. We've got more likely, so we're actually going to use inequalities here. Greater than or less than. So just notice the slight change there. So C, it is more likely for an apple or lemon. So let's put apple or lemon. We're going to add those 2 together. More likely for those 2, so we're going to put our greater than. Pecan or chocolate. Pecan plus chocolate. All right, so there's, we'll put our equations over here on this side. And then I guess we'll go ahead and put our inequalities over here, since it just kind of worked that way for us. Inequalities. All right, so apple is 5. Let's substitute here. Lemon is 4. Is that greater than pecan 3 plus chocolate? No, it's not. This is really just 9. Greater than 11. That is not correct, which is what we're looking for. Remember, we're looking for something that's not correct. So I'm thinking it's C. Obviously, we need to double check with D. It is less likely for pecan pie to be sold than for lemon. Okay, that's pretty simple. So pecan is less than, so less likely. So let's just go ahead and put, no, that's greater than. Let's go ahead and put the correct one here. Less likely. Pecan is less likely than lemon. So pecan is 3. Is that less likely than 4? That's true. Remember, we're looking for the one that is not true. Very confusing. So since this is true, we're going to check mark that. And we're going to get rid of it. We don't want that. So yes, our answer here is going to be C. Because when we were looking at apple and lemon, it is not more likely. It would have been true if this would have said less likely. And that's the one we're looking for, C.